Well, after a very hot day, we are tracking a few showers and storms across the area here as we head into your evening. Let's take a closer look at what's happening right now. We headed to the Rincon area. We've seen some very heavy rain, and that's now drifting to your south. And the lightning we've been tracking with that is now heading further off to the southwest. Now, some of this rain looks like it's going to try to get into the Bloomingdale area, maybe down to Port Wentworth as well. Right now, overall, a bit of a weakening trend, but it is tracking off to the east-southeast. We're also looking at some heavy rain. We saw a couple lightning strikes around Elabelle and now up through Black Creek. We're just recently seeing a pickup of lightning strikes there, so just stay inside until that passes on by in the next 15 minutes. Further off to the south, we're seeing some heavy rain, and we're tracking a lot of lightning that's just popped up around Odom, and that's not moving a whole lot right now, so look for some potting of water to develop on the roads. And most of these storms are developing, they strengthen a little bit, and then they kind of die off. So if you wait about 20 or 25 minutes, things should get better. And then further west, we had a lot of heavy rain and lightning around Jeff Davis County, but that is all diminishing. So we will have a few more spots that may see a shower or storm develop this evening, then everything will fade on off. In the morning, we'll wake up to clear to partly cloudy skies at 7 a.m. As we head through the day, once again, we'll have a lot of sunshine. Very hot, sticky day, and that could lead to a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, mainly west of I-95 as we head to about 5 o'clock and 5:30. Look at your current temperatures out there right now. Many spots still 90 or above, although some locations are getting cooled off by either clouds or some rain is falling, but we're still up to 93 in Vidalia, 91 in Hinesville, and right at 90 degrees in Savannah. When you factor in the humidity, here's what it feels like outside. It still feels like 102 in Hinesville, feeling like 101 in Statesboro. These numbers were a little bit higher about an hour ago, so things are dropping off slightly, and that slow drop off will continue as we head through the evening, unless you get a quicker drop because of a downpour in your area. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up to 74 degrees and partly cloudy at 7 a.m. We'll have an average high temperature tomorrow of 92. But the further west you go, that temperature will be a little bit higher. And again, it will feel hotter because that humidity will again be high. Here's a look at some computer model projected temperatures. 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, low 90s Richmond Hill, Midway, mid to upper 90s further west, like 96 in Pembroke and 95 in Baxley. So very hot across the area, kind of similar to what we had today. Here are your tides coming up. Get a high tide in the middle of the night. Next high tide out at Tybee tomorrow will be at 2:25 in the afternoon. Meanwhile, we have pretty good boating tomorrow. Chances for rain should be on land and not out over the water, so should be in good shape out there. Seas around 2 feet and a breeze out of the south at 5 to 10 knots. All right, latest pollen report showing that weed pollen is now moderate and mold remains high. Now let's look ahead to your weekend. Never too early to look at this. We'll fine tune as we get closer, but right now it looks like we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. Still a chance for an afternoon storm. So in other words, not much change from what we have right now. High temperatures will mostly be in the low 90s. Here's your entire storm tracker 7-day forecast. Again, not much change temperature-wise or humidity, although it does look like we may see drier weather coming up Thursday and Friday in terms of our shower and storm chances.